Most people buy a luxury home. The elite take theirs with them. Introducing the AEON Atlas 6x6, it's not just a vehicle. It's an absolute statement of independence. 6 wheels of unstoppable engineering, built to conquer terrain that makes others turn back. While the world stays on the grid, you'll be miles beyond it in total silent luxury. Hidden beneath the hood lies a massive high-voltage vault. Silent power engineered for the absolute edge. Step inside. A sanctuary of carbon fiber, high-tech glass, and the freedom to go anywhere. No engine roar, no fuel stops. Just pure electric dominance at your fingertips. With massive battery power in the vault, you're never out of reach, only out of sight. From the heavy-duty chassis to the premium habitat, every inch is over-engineered for perfection. This is the pinnacle of off-grid exploration. Rugged enough for the wild, refined enough for you. Your private sanctuary, parked at the edge of the world, because luxury knows no boundaries. The AEON Atlas 6x6, because the best views don't have a driveway. Own the horizon.
Hello, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
True luxury isn't about where you go. It's about how much of the world you own while getting there. Witness the precision of these triple-stack vertical LED projectors. They are not just lights. They are a masterpiece of optical engineering, designed to pierce through the thickest darkness while maintaining a sleek, futuristic silhouette that defines the AEON's aggressive front identity. Reinforced ballistic-grade glass built to withstand the harshest elements nature can throw at you. Built for the extreme, these high-tensile steel bumpers and integrated tow hooks are the backbone of the AEON's armor. This reinforced steel construction ensures that no obstacle is too great and no terrain is too punishing for this 6-ton electric beast. 6 custom-forged wheels wrapped in aggressive 44-inch rubber, total traction. Zero compromise. Precision-molded heavy-duty mud flaps. Every industrial bolt is torqued to withstand the most extreme off-road endurance tests. Total electric propulsion. Direct drive high-torque motors on all 3 axles provide instant, silent power exactly when you need it. Adaptive coilover suspension. This 6-ton fortress glides over rocks like a cloud. Advanced digital vision systems, replacing traditional mirrors with high-definition clarity, eliminating every possible blind spot on the trail. Digital vision systems, replacing mirrors with high-definition clarity in every blind spot. Ultra-fast DC charging, refuel your freedom in minutes, not hours. Architectural-grade thermal window tinting, designed to maintain a perfect climate inside the cabin, regardless of the scorching heat outside. Architectural-grade thermal tint, maintaining a perfect 68 degrees in any climate. The panoramic skylight, your private window to the galaxies from the comfort of your sanctuary. A massive integrated solar array, turning raw sunlight into a continuous, endless supply of total off-grid energy and independence. Perfect architectural symmetry. The reinforced dual-door entry system provides seamless access to your massive interior cargo hold. Sequential LED indicators. High visibility lighting engineered to command attention on the road and total clarity in the deep wild. Heavy-duty double doors guarded by signature vertical LED steel glow. Industrial strength meets futuristic safety for a rear profile that demands respect. Every detail is over-engineered. These custom-machined industrial latches feel like opening a high-security vault, ensuring your sanctuary remains sealed and secure, no matter how far you venture into the unknown. Exterior armor is just the beginning. As we step into the command center, tell me, if you had this level of freedom, where is the first place you would drive to? Drop your dream destination in the comments and let's explore the cockpit. Step into the ultimate command center, a seamless blend of high-tech controls and a luxury living sanctuary, engineered for total off-grid dominance. The massive 8K digital interface, your central hub for navigation, entertainment, and total vehicle diagnostics. Aviation-grade overhead toggles, precision control for your lights and power right at your fingertips. Custom machined aluminum pedals, precision engineered for instant response and total control over every terrain. Intelligent haptic controls, seamlessly manage your media and navigation without ever taking your hands off the yoke. Heavy-duty wiper systems and high-pressure jets, ensuring crystal clear visibility even in the most brutal off-road conditions. Every detail is designed for convenience, from the tactile door controls to the integrated puddle lights that illuminate your path as you step out. It's not just a vehicle. It's an intelligent environment that adapts to your needs. Next to the passenger, a premium soft close glove box. Minimalist design that maximizes storage, keeping your essential gear secure and easily accessible in this compact 6x6. High-definition digital mirror, providing a crystal-clear wide-angle view of the trail behind you, day or night. Integrated cup holders and wireless charging, keeps your drink steady and your devices powered on any journey. A deep stainless steel sink with a matte black faucet, high-end functionality tucked perfectly into this compact kitchen space. A fully equipped kitchenette featuring a sleek burner and panoramic window. Professional-grade tools for the ultimate mobile chef. Magnetic utensil storage, keeping your professional tools secure and silent even on the roughest trails. A high-efficiency compressor fridge, stealthily integrated to keep your supplies fresh without wasting an inch of space. An integrated convection oven, positioned overhead for maximum convenience while preparing gourmet meals on the move. A versatile high-comfort lounge, ergonomically designed to provide the perfect space to relax after a long day of exploring. A sleek, space-saving dining table, the perfect workstation or dining spot in this compact cabin. A dedicated single-berth sleeping area, featuring a high-density memory foam mattress for ultimate restorative sleep. A fully enclosed wet bath with a space-saving design. Open the door to find a full-height shower and a modern cassette toilet, all finished in premium waterproof materials. This 6x6 isn't just a vehicle. It's the ultimate sanctuary for the modern explorer. If you're ready to redefine your journey and embrace true luxury on the road, hit that subscribe button and join our community at Rolling Wheels. Now, we want to hear from you. Where's the first remote destination you'd take this beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next trail.